The customer simply presses the button and a pre-recorded voice message is instantly transmitted directly to store associates on their two-way radios, anywhere in the building.
Assistance needed at locked paint cabinet.
Once the store associate assists the customer, they can clear the call, advising team members and managers the customer's been taken care of.
Paint cabinet, all clear.
This real-time notification to team members is extremely valuable and efficient. It's battery-operated, wireless, and it can be placed anywhere in the store. The message can be changed easily so that it can be relocated. It's ideal for locked cabinets, thinning rooms, isolated or seasonal departments, like the paint counter or garden area, or departments that are just not staffed full-time.